All right, so this is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, power doors, and what's happening is this bezel right here, and this is a known issue. It fell off. See that? And it won't stay in. It won't stay in. And that's because if you look at the bottom here, there's supposed to be some clips right here. One here and one right here. One here and one here. But they broke off. So, and it's just the front door right now. Not the this is the front the front driver door, not the front passenger door. So went up to the Jeep dealership and got this, and this is specifically for the front driver side. This is the driver door lock bezel. So let me open it up here. So this is it right here. That's it. And these are the mysterious clips that are missing. Can you see those? There's one right there, one right there. And again, this is specific to the driver's side, the front driver's side, because you don't want it to be upside down on the other side. So you got to make sure you're very specific, let them know which side it is. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. I don't know if I can, but this is actually really easy to do. So we're gonna take this off. Oh boy, I can't do it with one hand. Okay, sorry. Hang on a second. Okay. So the way this works is you have to pull this tab right here up. Okay. You gotta pull that tab up. And then you can separate. Oh my gosh, why is it difficult? Okay. So there it is. It's you just need two hands to do it. It's not hard. So you just pick this up. Okay. Pick this up. Don't break it because it's plastic. So just pick it up a little gently and then just wiggle this out of the connector. Okay. Wiggle that out. So here's the piece that came off of it. So that connector goes in there. So then what we're going to do is I'm going to take this Phillips screwdriver, and there's two screwdrivers or screws, one right here and one right here. So we're gonna, of course you need two hands. Okay, so this is real simple. Just take these two off, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just remove this piece right here, this middle piece, which is actually the door lock. You're going to remove that from this bezel. This is the outer bezel. Okay, so you're just going to take these two screws off, and then you're going to remove this lock, and then we're going to place it in the new one, which is right there. All right, so let me do that real quick. Sorry, I can't do this with two hands, or with one hand, sorry. Let me do it real quick. You gotta show you guys. Okay, sorry about this. I can't do it with one hand. So those are the two screws. I just put it over here to the side. So this is the broken piece. Again, we took these two screws out. One was right here, one was right here. So we're just going to take this lock, this middle lock piece out. It just comes out. See, like that? You don't have to do anything with this other than we're just going to slide this over to this new one and make sure that it's on there right, which it is. Okay, so you're going to put this on there. It's going to fit like a glove. Okay, this thing just fits right on there. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, and then you can see it's nice, and there you go. So it's perfectly set on there. So I'm going to put these two screws in. Sorry. I want to break this, so don't like over tighten it. Just snug it up. Okay. Do the other side. Okay. Boom. All right. So this is the new one. I put both screws in. And this is the same. Again, all we did was we're just transferring to this new bezel, and we're putting these two screws from the old bezel that was right here. 1, 2. This is the old one, the broken one. This is the new one. Okay, and then just to connect it back, again, we're just going to take this and connect it back into here, and this latch right here will catch on here. right there. So let me do that real quick. Okay. Okay. All right. There we go. See, now it's connected again. See that? That's that latch right there that I was talking about. Right there. See that? Goes in like a glove. This is all very easy. I just can't do it with one hand, so I'm having to put the camera down. I'm sorry. Okay. Here's the lock. And so then we need to test it. Open, lock, open, lock. And then we just got to put this back in there. So, and I heard you got to put it in the bottom first, so let me do that with my hand here. Boom. All right, you got to kind of force that in there a little bit. I just gave it a good, like that. It's plastic, so you want to be careful, but you're just trying to make sure that this is seated properly, which it is, and it works. You're back in business. That took 10 minutes. So there you are. This is for a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, to be specific. This is a Sport Unlimited Sport. This is the front driver's side front door lock bezel. These are known, they're notorious for breaking off. There's a couple of tabs at the bottom here. I'll show you on the broken one. Right here. Okay. Right here. 1 and 2. That's where the tabs are supposed to be, but as you can see, there's no tabs there. So these break off, and when they break off, this thing, it's still connected to your to your electrical cable there, the harness. It's still connected, so it just dangles down, and it still works. There's no issues. But when you try to put it in, it won't stay in there. Or even if you try to put it in there, it's very temporary. As soon as you close the door, it falls down and it'll just hang here. So again, I went to the Jeep dealership. This is the front door lock bezel. And this is specific to my car, I believe, because they didn't need my VIN number for it. They asked for my VIN number. This was $15, and it took me 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes. So there you go.